You have a little thing. Go on then. See if you can eat some. Isn't it nice? Mm. Oh, are you sucking the spaghetti? That's it. Oh no, don't do that while you eat. You eat it properly. Well, Mummy's got some pasta too, hasn't she? Yeah, I'll give you some of mine if you finish that. You hungry, Ella? Buona? Buoni? Sono buoni? Sono buoni? Buono, buono, mamma. More pasta? More pasta? Pasta, pasta. What's that? It's Matteo. What are you looking at? Matteo. Where's Matteo gone? That's right, he's on the picture, in the photo, isn't he?
Where's Matteo gone?
Don't know. Where's Matteo? I think he's with Papa. I beg your pardon. Mum. Would you like some more pasta, Alo? Yes?
Yeah.
Yes?